A man who turned a gun on himself on San Mateo yesterday tried to use that same gun to shoot an apartment manager just minutes before. Today, we've learned more about who that man is and the bizarre situation that led to his suicide. News 13's Alex Goldsmith has the latest from the Newsplex.
Kim, APD today identified the suspect who shot himself as 41-year-old Mark Meltzer. The apartment manager who crossed paths with Meltzer yesterday was one well-timed misfire away from being a murder victim.
This is definitely my lucky day. I mean, someone had to be watching out, evidently.
Bob Thompson says he spotted Meltzer wandering the back parking lot of the Premier Motel, an apartment complex off of Central near Carlisle. Meltzer asked Thompson to get into one of the apartments because he claimed he used to live there and needed to get his stuff. But Thompson says Meltzer had never lived there and escorted him off property. Meltzer came back, looked for keys in the office lobby, then sat and waited. Thompson and a repairman confronted him. That's when Meltzer pulled out a gun. Thompson fled to his apartment, stalked by Meltzer, who stepped inside, pointed the gun, and pulled the trigger. But the gun misfired. Thompson got him outside and closed the door. Meltzer hung around for a few minutes, shooting at a car out front before taking off in a blue hatchback. Police caught up with him and chased him to San Mateo and Central. After turning north onto San Mateo, the officers spun the hatchback out. Seconds later, APD says the man shot himself in the head. Thompson told us today he learned that Meltzer was dead by watching the news. He says this is all really just sinking in.
Everything was happening so quickly that, I didn't have time to absorb what was going on.
Meltzer was arrested on burglary charges in late August and September. Online court records show a bench warrant was issued for his arrest on Tuesday for failing to meet his conditions of release on the September burglary charge. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Alex. Now, the story does not end there. News 13 has obtained dramatic surveillance video of Meltzer's confrontation with the apartment manager. That's coming up on News 13 at 5:30.